Hi, we are back with our new video of HubSpot integration series. In this video, we are going to talk about another feature of HubSpot known as task. So let's start the video. So what exactly is the task? Task is the work we want to do in future and want a reminder for it so that if we are busy in another work, we will get a notification on screen. So how to create this task? Just go to your WhatsApp web and go to your HubSpot icon. The HubSpot icon will appear in tools because we have connected our HubSpot to WhatsApp web. And you will see first option is user profile and second option is task. So how to create a task? Just add a task, suppose meeting with client. So this is our task. Now we have to select the date. So we have to choose the date, suppose 5 October and time is 4 p.m. We can adjust date and time according to our requirement. So click on OK and click on add icon. So it will add our task on HubSpot and this task will automatically be updated and on HubSpot and it will appear in HubSpot website. So how to check it? Just go to arrow icon and it will open the HubSpot website for this particular contact and all the information of that contact will be available here. So how to check it? Just go to task and all the tasks we have created, upcoming task will appear here. So here you can see meeting with client for 5 October at 4:34 p.m. will appear here. So these are the simple steps by which we can create a task in WhatsApp using HubSpot and by using Eazybe extension.